Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, Road 6E, Top and Datum Surfaces. This video illustrates A. Default top surface settings, B. Create top surface, C. Create top boundary, D. Default datum surface settings, E. Create datum surface, and F. Create datum boundary. The top surface is a finished surface of the constructed improvements within the corridor and is used to determine the finished elevations of the various constructed objects. The datum surface is the lowest bottom surface on which the improvements are constructed. The top and datum surfaces, in conjunction with the existing surface and sample lines, are used to compute the earthwork cut and fill volumes. Top surface defaults, settings. Right-click Road Improvement, Edit Drawing Settings, Object Layers, 10 Surface, pick the current, scroll down to C3D Surf Top, OK. 10 Surface Labeling, C3D Surf Text, OK. Surface Default Settings, right-click Surface, Edit Surface Feature Settings, Default Styles, select the existing, Top Surface, OK. Marker Style, None. OK. Create the corridor top surface, prospector, corridor, right-click Kin Corridor, set Rebuild to Automatic, right-click Kin Corridor a second time, Properties, Surfaces, depress Create a Corridor Surface, pick the current surface name, change name to Kin, Top, Surface. Enter. Surface style, top surface, OK. Overhang correction, pick none, select top links, data type, links, specify code top, depress the add button, place check mark and add as break lines, apply, OK. The top surface triangles are displayed. Create top surface boundary, right-click Kin Corridor, Properties, Boundaries, right-click Kin Surface, select Corridor Extent as outer boundaries, use type outside boundary, apply, OK. Freeze layers C3D Corridor and C3D Surf Top Boundary, dash grid, and dash 10. The finished top surface contours are shown. Default settings for the datum surface. Right-click the road name and settings, edit drawing settings, object layers, 10 surface, select the current, scroll down to Civil 3D Surf Datum, OK. Right-click surface, edit feature settings, default styles, surface style defaults, pick the current, datum surface, OK. Leave others as default, OK. Freeze layers, C3D Surf Top Contour Major and Contour Minor. Close panorama. Create the datum or bottom surface, prospector. Corridors, right-click Kin Corridor, Properties. Surfaces. Create surface icon. Pick the current name. Change name to Kin. Datum. Surface. Enter. Surface style, datum surface, OK. Overhang correction, select none. Bottom links, data type links, specify code, datum, depress the add button, place check mark and add as break lines, apply, OK. The datum surface TIN is shown. Create the datum boundary, right-click Kin Corridor, Properties, Boundaries tab, right-click the Kin Datum Surface, select Corridor Extents to outer boundary, use type, outer boundary, apply, OK. The limits of the datum surface TIN has been restricted to the limits of the corridor. Freeze layers, C3D-DAT, close panorama. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.